Hello, all of you. Welcome to the third class. Here we begin with the third class for bills of exchange. Yesterday we have completed the concept. If you pay me late, pay with interest. If you pay me early, I will give you rebate. And dishonor in all the four cases, what will be the entries? Okay, for the payer, so we have done before. Okay. In all this, it is very important that when the bill is renewed on the due date, if you are not having and if you are asking for another bill and renewal and all that things, in that case, whenever the bill is renewed, for renewal of the bill, the first thing you have to do is cancel the bill. So cancel the bill, okay? And then you go for the renewals, right? So cancel the bill entry, you have to pass for dishonor, and then the new bill can be accommodated with interest, or the new bill part payment can be given in cash and part, or new bill will be for same amount, like we have done 1,06,000. Only interest you pay me cash, because now you have drawn the second. Okay, some trouble with the screen. Okay. So let us begin with this. What we are doing in today's class is last concept in the bills of exchange, and we will write all booster notes also, that is accommodation bill. You know what? The secret of accommodate, when we say two people should accommodate each other, means two people should help each other. Now I have not sold to you. You don't have to pay me anything. Still, I'm just drawing the bill. So that if you accept, I can encash it from bank, get the money, and then give it to you. I'll help you with an example. Accommodation bill is very, very nice. So let us learn the concept of accommodation bill with example. Yes, here we go. Anyone is having any doubt in the concept until now? Then please say, otherwise we are starting accommodation bill. Accommodation bill, no bills are correct. These are all like fake entries. I have not sold you the goods. Let us take example of A and B. Okay. There is no sales. I'm just drawing the diagram. No, you need not draw this, just to understand. Ab dekho screen pe. A has sold the goods to B. Okay. It's not a sales. No sales it is. A has just sold the goods to B. ओके मतलब कोई सेल नहीं है, नो परचेज, नो सेल नो परचेज, स्टिल बिल ड्रॉन. ऐसे A has drawn the bill and he is saying bills receivable to B. B ko he has already said, to B is accepting A to bills payable. Now the reason we have drawn the bill on B is, if we draw the bill, can we discount it with the bank? Discount with bank. Say 1,000 rupees bill, I will discount with bank. So I can use the bill. Suppose the duration of the bill is 3 months. I will discount it with the bank and I will use it for 3 months. And just before the due date, I will remit the sum to A so that he can honor it bills payable to bank. I will only pay the money to B. A, we will only discount it, use the money for 3 months. After 3 months, when it's time to honor, I will only give the cash to B and B will honor the bill on the due date. Is this clear to all of you? Why do I call it accommodation bill? There is no, purchase and sale in this. This is the first case. Second case is mutual accommodation. Both the parties need money. So again same. I have drawn the bill on B. Say 1,000 rupees. I have got it discounted also. इसको मैंने discount भी करा लिया. Now 50% amount immediately I am giving to B. Mutual accommodation. Bill I have drawn, you have accepted, I have got discounted with the bank. But the money which we have got 1000, 50% I am using, 50% you also enjoy. At the end, I will remit you remaining 50% and you honor the bill on due date. So, this accommodation could be for only one-sided benefit or other-sided benefit or two-sided benefit. Okay? Right? You all got it or not? Dishonor and rebate and interest is all over in yesterday's class. अभी आज ये समझ में आया कि नहीं कि why we are doing this accommodation bill. Journal entries are so too easy. A is saying I have drawn the bill, B is saying okay I accept. Actually A has not sold the goods. Why is B accepting this payable? He is not liable to pay. A will only give the money. Indirectly, accommodation bills are done to, arrange the finance. To arrange the finance through bill discounting. So that means bill में discounting will definitely be there in the accommodation bill. Okay? I hope this reasoning is clear to you. Chalo, let us take up this part. Accommodation bill we are doing. Yes, from here. Accommodation bill refers to those bills which are drawn, accepted, or endorsed without any consideration. Accommodation bills are drawn and accepted to meet the financial needs of drawer or drawee or both. We both can share. On discounting of accommodation bill, proceeds may be shared by drawer and drawee in an appropriate ratio. Each party will bear the discount. See, I got the bill discounted. So, when I got the bill discounted, I am paying in thousand, say 200 bill discounting. So, if we both have decided to use the money and 50% I am sharing the money with you, 50% discount भी आप bear करो. Logical है ना? On dishonor of accommodation bill, the drawer cannot file a suit against the drawee because the drawee is not liable to pay. Worst case, if the bill is dishonored and if B is saying, I will not honor this bill, I can't file the case. B will say, why I will pay? I have not purchased. Proof to batao that you have sold me the goods and so on. ठीक है? Accounting entries passed in case of accommodation bills. They are made in routine way. जैसे trade bills है वैसे. These bills are drawn. Trade bills means negotiable instruments, what we were doing yesterday. They have been drawn to settle the payment. I have sold you the goods. You can give me cash, check, or negotiable instrument. These are to meet up the financial needs. These bills are accepted for consideration. These bills are accepted without consideration. These bills act as evidence of indebtedness. This bill act as source of finance. Yes or no? On discounting of normal bill, the proceeds remain with the holder. On discounting of this bill, accommodation bill, the proceeds may be shared with the drawee. On dishonor, you can file a suit. Here, you cannot file a suit. Got it? Right. When accommodation bill is done for one of the parties in need will draw the bill. The drawee will accept. The drawer discounts the bill. Just before the due date, drawer remits. This all procedure I explained with the example given. Yes? Chalo. So let us do first one-sided accommodation. Only one of the parties you need to accommodate. So problem number 21 we are doing. Hira Seth accepted a 3 months bill drawn on him by Panna Seth for later benefit. Panna Seth got discounted the bill. And at maturity, he sent the money to Hira Seth for 2000 and unable him to pay. Hira Seth honored, pass the journal. Routine. Only thing is there is no purchase, no sale. Just I have drawn the bill. I have drawn the bill. You accept. I will get it discounted. So I have got it discounted, and once I get it discounted, then what will happen? Once I get it discounted, then I will use the money. At the end, when due date is coming, I'll give you the money. You honor the bill. Okay? This is again a conceptual problem. So 21st problem, we have to pass journal entries in both the books. Abhi karte hain. Chalo. Are you able to see the word document? Yes. Accommodation bill for one party. Concept of accommodation bill for one party, not for both the parties, one party. I will only keep, I will only use. Okay. So we have to write journal entries in the books of Panna Seth. He is the drawer of the bill. And Hira Seth. Hira Seth accepted the bill. So he is a drawee. He is the drawer. Sure. On 1st January, Hira Seth accepted a 3 months bill for 2000 drawn on him by Panna for later. So now let us say Hira Seth accepted the bill. So bill is drawn by Panna on 1st of January. So we have drawn the bill on Hira Seth. So bills receivable debit. Carefully करना है. Bills receivable to Hira. Hira accepted it. So what entry Hira will pass? Panna to bills payable. Panna to bills payable. Next. Panna discounted the bill immediately. Immediately on the same date, bank account debit. Same, practice is same, combinations are different. This bills receivable of 2000 rupees. I missed writing the amounts here. Please write all of you. 2000 rupees के जो bill receivable है ना, that 2000 rupees bills Panna said discounted the bill on 4th January, 6%. Okay. And this is for how many months? 3 months. So discount is equal to 2000 into 6% into 3 by 12. How much? Calculator. करो आप लोग कितना आ रहा है? Put the answers in chat. 2000 into 6% into 3 by 12. 30 rupees. 30 rupees deke 1970 mein I've got discount. Here there is going to be no entry. अभी I am writing for comparison. Exam में एक के नीचे एक लिखो तो no entry लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. Now, before the due date on the maturity, Hira said, on the maturity, Panna said send the maturity sent Hira said a check of 2000. I am only giving the check of 2000. ठीक है? Y account debit to bank. Y account debit to bank. I am only giving the money to Hira. Hira debit to bank. So Hira's account is automatically closed. Hira's account is automatically closed. I have drawn a bill and I am only making the payment. Now, he will receive the payment. Here the entry will be bank account debit to Panna. See, Panna to bills payable, Panna से आना था. So दे दिया आपको. 2000 rupees we only gave, and with this, can he honor the bills payable to bank? No benefit to Panna. He's just doing to help me out. Check the logic. See the logic of the problem. Panna to bills payable, bank to Panna, bills payable. कभी कभी आते हैं accommodation bill and it's very easy. 1 hour this concept will be over. Is my speed fine? You all are following all the journal entries. First I have drawn the bill, he accepted. Then I discounted, he did nothing. Then I only paid him money. Hira account debit to bank. And Hira, he accepted the money and with this he paid the bills payable on time. So when he honored the bills payable, I only gave him check and he paid the bills payable. So my money came back to me. You know, pura cycle ghum gaya. I have drawn the bill, you accepted. Before due date, I only paid you the money. You only honored my bills payable. So my money has come back to me. Only benefit in this is we are using bank financing for 3 months. Okay. So this was concept of accommodating bill for one party. Now let us see concept of accommodating the accommodation bill two parties. It's like mutual benefit. Chalo, let me do and let us both also accept it. Let us both also accept this. So for this, let us take a next problem only. Right. On 1st January, Ninja for temporary mutual accommodation of himself and Hathodi. Nice, no, all these cartoons are. Draws up for the later a bills of exchange. So on, you have to write journal entries, and on Ninja discounts the bill and shares half of the proceeds with Hathodi. I have done the discounting. I will also use, you also use. On maturity, we give him remaining. Past journal entries in both the books. So here it is Ninja, problem number 21. And here it is Hathodi. First, Ninja has drawn the bill. Bill receivable to Hathodi. How much rupees bill we should draw? 2000, 2000. Same concept. उसी में mutual accommodation है. Hathodi will draw Ninja to bills payable. He accepted. I have drawn the bill, Hathodi accepted. Ninja has drawn the bill, Hathodi accepted. ठीक है? This is the story of 1st January. Yes. Can enjoy the names. है ना? अच्छे हैं. Now, immediately on 4th of January, I've got it discounted with my bank. Bank account debit. Purposely same figures, same amount, same period so that you can write. Bank account debit, discount account debit to bills receivable. 2000 bill we have discounted for 1970. We've just calculated above the discount. तो हमने तो discount करवा लिया. And immediately on the same day, we are sharing 50% of the proceeds. We are giving to Hathodi. So 1000 rupees. Hathodi account debit 1000. To discount. I have discounted and I have incurred 30 rupees, 50% discount. You bear and give it to me as my income. So my expense, 15. So my expense, net expense will come only 15. And to bank, we will give him 985. 985 we will give. He will accept. Bank account debit 985. Discount account debit 15 to Ninja 1000. To Ninja 1000. Nice and clear to all of you. Bank account debit discount. Account debit to Ninja 1000. Okay, 1 second. Just completed that problem and share. Okay, see. Bills receivable to authority, Ninja to bills payable. We have drawn the bill. Immediately we discounted it. This time it was for mutual accommodation. So after discounting, 50% we shared. Okay? Authority to discount to bank we shared. And bank to discount to Ninja. Okay? Right. Okay. So till here it is clear. Now, when we shared 50% on 4th of January, on 4th of April, on the due date, remaining 50% also we will give and they will accept. And now we have given to authority 1000 and 1000. So with this 2000, he will honor the bill which we have drawn on him. So this way it is nullified. Write down if you have not written the last two entries. In fact, in mutual accommodation, both can also draw the bill on each other. That is also possible. Both can also draw the bill on each other. Nice level of problems are there. Okay, finished? Chalo. Let us take up the next one now. 21st we have done, 22nd, 23rd problem. Iron Man and Ant-Man drew the bill on each other. Okay. And then discounted each other's bill. And in maturity, each met his own acceptance. Okay. That is still easy. Huh? On due date, when the technician comes, I'm not able to show him why my screen is getting stuck. Do you feel a difference or camera was moving with me? The camera is only getting stuck. Chalo, theek hai. Okay, so next problem we are not doing, but just I'm discussing orally this 23rd one. Both are drawing the bill on each other and both are discounting, and on due date, they will meet their own acceptances. You got it or not? I have drawn the bill, you accept it. You draw the bill, I accept. We will discount our bill. On due date, I accepted your bill, that I will pay. You accepted my bill, you pay. So it's like mutual accommodation and it's very simple. Shall we do it? ठीक है चलो कर लेते हैं. Same problem. Discounting अगर बोला है तो करना है. Yes, discounting is also there. But this time both have drawn the bill on each other. Both have drawn the bill on each other. Okay, 23rd problem I thought of discussing, but maybe the last entry is new for all of you. So let us take it. 2 minutes it will take. Same transactions, only this time both will draw the bill on each other. Iron Man and Ant-Man. This time you can't write he is a drawer and drawing. Both have drawn and both have accepted. So on 1st of January, bills receivable to Ant-Man. Bills receivable to Ant-Man. He accepted. He accepted. Ironman debit to bills payable. He accepted. I have drawn, he accepted. On the same day, he has drawn the bill. Bills receivable, confused तो नहीं हो रहे ना? Both have drawn the bill on each other for same amount. I accepted. I have drawn the first bill, he accepted. He has drawn the second bill, I am accepting. I am accepting. Ant-Man debit, I will pay you 2 bills payable. And he is writing bills receivable to Iron Man. Nice, clear? Now, can we get it discounted with the bank? Bank account debit. I can get discounted this bill. He will get discounted this bill. Bank account debit, discount account debit to write down. Writing makes it very clear. 2000. 1970 and 30. Bank account debit, discount account debit to bills receivable. And here, bills receivable, जो आपने ये draw किया ना, same entry they will also pass. They will discount their bill, we will accept and discount our bill. 1970, that's I was thinking to do it orally, it's that simple. Is my speed fine? Can any of you say, are you able to write or not? But likho, when as a teacher, I am sparing to give you instead of 15 good problems, if I am giving you 30 problems, ki nahi practice bhi class mein karana hai, to aap likho fir. I have drawn the bill, you accepted, you have drawn the bill, I accepted, both of us discounted the bill. Now on due date, should I, instead of I paying to you and you honoring the bill, I will honor your bill. Bills payable account debit to Ant-Man. Bills payable account debit to Ant-Man. और ये sorry. Draw किया था तब Ant-Man to bank. Bills payable to bank. We are honoring the bill on due date. Bills payable to bank. Even they will pass the same entry. They will honor their bill. Look at the language of the problem. Both have drawn on each other the same amount. They will honor their bill. We will honor our bill. They will honor their bill. We will honor our bill. Nice, clear to all of you? Chalo. Now little more combinations with the accommodation. Kung Fu and Panda were friends in need of funds. Kung Fu drew a bill of 2 lakhs. On 4th, Kung Fu got it discounted and remitted half of the proceeds to Panda. On 1st April, Kung Fu could not send the required sum. See, we are doing it for accommodation, but we could not send the required sum. Please. Camera is giving trouble. Read the problem with me. 23rd. On 1st, Kung Fu has drawn. He accepted to before the due date, we have to pay the money, no? Kung Fu could not send the money. Instead, He accepted Panda's bill for 120. On 4th April, the bill was discounted by Panda, and out of this, 7,800 were remitted to Kung Fu. At maturity of the second bill, due to financial crisis, Kung Fu became insolvent and only 50 paisa could be recovered. इंसॉल्वेंसी भी है, डिसऑनर भी है, अकोमोडेशन भी है, एवरीथिंग इज देयर इन दिस प्रॉब्लम. इट्स नाइस. चलो, let us do it. Right. So first we are drawing 2 lakh rupees bill on Panda, and Panda accepted. So let us do the journal entries in the books of Kung Fu and Panda both. 24th problem now in class. Kung Fu and Panda. Right? Read the first entry with me. On 1st January, we have drawn bills receivable on Panda for 2 lakh and 2 lakh. Panda accepted it. So he will say, okay, Kung Fu, I will pay you the bill. 2 lakh, 2 lakh. On 4th of January, Kung Fu discounted it with bank. Bank account debit, discount account debit to bills receivable. 2 lakh bill we got discounted at the rate of 10%. So 2 lakh at the rate of 10% and 3 months. 2 lakh at the rate of 10% into 3 by 12, 5,000. Bank account debit 1,95,000. बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट 1,95,000. ठीक है. अच्छा, after discounting, remitted half of the proceeds immediately on the same date. Yeah, divide the page into 2 full page. आधे पैसे दे दो पंडा को. पंडा अकाउंट डेबिट 1 lakh to discount. Of course, 2,500 discount also you have to share. And to bank, I will give 97,500. 97,500 I gave. So he will accept. For him, bank account debit 97,500. Discount account debit to Panda 1 lakh. ठीक है. Okay, Panda to discount to bank and bank to discount to Panda. This is about the 4th of April. So we have got it discounted and we remitted the sum. Now, on 1st of April, just before the due date, Kung Fu could not pay. Instead, he accepted the bill for 1,20,000. Array, I don't have money to pay. Better you draw the bill and I accept. So on 4th of April, this was the 4th of January. ये गड़बड़ हो गया. ये सब 4th of January है. अब 4th of April के दिन पैसे नहीं है, तो we are saying Panda account debit to bills payable. Panda account debit to bills payable amount is 1,20,000. Listen, out of 2 lakhs which we have drawn for accommodation, 1 lakh I gave you immediately. 1 lakh more I had to give. I am not having money. So 120, you draw the bill and I will accept. Now, so who will draw the bill? Be careful, be careful. Instead of paying you remaining 1 lakh so that you honor the bill, I am only, you know what I am doing? I am only accepting the bill which you have drawn. Bills receivable to Kung Fu. 1 lakh it should have been. Now this is 120 because late होगा ना तो payment. Interest भी लगेगा. This whole story happened on 4th April. Now, on 4th April, Panda got it discounted at 12%. Okay. So you got it discounted at 12%. Out of this, 7,800 are remitted. Pehle you get it discounted. Panda is getting it discounted. Bank account debit, discount account debit, 2 bills receivable. 120 bill he has drawn, I accepted. This bill he is getting discounted. 120 at the rate of 12%. And this bill is drawn for 2 months. 120 into 12% into 2 by 12. 2,400. So, because Panda को इसको पैसे तो चाहिए ना Panda को. So we gave him 1 lakh. Now we should give him 1 lakh. If not, let him draw the bill. Understand the logic. He is drawing the bill. I am accepting and he is getting discounted because he wants to pay my original bill. ये वाला bill अभी pay करना बाकी है 2 lakh का. So he is getting 1,20,000 bill discounted at 1,17,600. Now out of this, he is sharing 7,800 were remitted to Kung Fu. 7,800 जो discount कराया उसमें से he is giving to me. Kung Fu account debit to bank to discount. Now if he is sending 7,800 money, he has to share the discount also now. One minute. Okay, let us also receive this. He got it discounted, no? ओरिजिनल बिल तो ऑनर करना पड़ेगा ना फॉर 2 lakhs. Yeah, why did he discount the bill? To honor the original bill. वो अभी तक हमने नहीं किए हैं. We'll have to do that also. It's a nice problem covering all the adjustments. So keep patience. I'm doing it with all of you. और फिर 7,800 he remitted. Here there is a googly now. Listen. Why did he discount the bill? Because I had to pay him 1 lakh. Yes or no? I had to pay him 1 lakh. I paid him 1 lakh earlier so that he can honor the original bill. So now this discount is 2,400 is the discount in 1,17,600. Yes. And 1,07,800 is using for me. Okay. 1,17,600 money is receiving. That time discount is 2,400. You all may be worried. Ma'am, 7,800 is giving, so proportionate discount. But 1 lakh also is using, no. Out of this, 1 lakh also is using me. I am only saying, Arey, I am not able to pay you. You draw a bill, get it discounted, and this money, instead of giving me, you honor the bill. So 1 lakh also is using and 7,800. So that much discount we have to transfer to Kung Fu. This is little technical. Check you all are understanding or not. कोई प्रॉब्लम्स 2 मिनट में हो जाते हैं, ऐसे प्रॉब्लम को थोड़ा टाइम लगता है. चेक इट ऑल ऑफ यू. 2200 डिस्काउंट के साथ 10,000 he is sending us. Shall we give numbering? काफी सारे एंट्रीज है ना, तो नंबर कर देते हैं. 1, 2, थर्ड एंट्री, फोर्थ एंट्री, fifth entry. He has still to honor original bills payable. Shall we receive this? Bank account debit 7,800. Discount account debit 2,200. To Kung Fu 10,000. Now shall we honor the bill on the due date? First wala bill, original bill. Original bill, I got it discounted, no? 2 lakh wala bill. Should he honor or not? Yes. So inki books mein aa jayega. Now has Panda got money or not? 2 lakh was the original bill. 1 lakh I gave immediately. 1 lakh he got from bill discounting, and 1,07,800 he used for my purpose only. So now next entry is bills payable to bank. 2 lakh, 2 lakh. Original bills payable to bank. You may be wondering, ma'am, yahan entry kyun nahi aayegi? No entry. I already got 2 lakh rupees discounted and I got my money. So no entry in my books. Now we are going to the next stage. Read with me. Shall I first repeat this much? आप लोग लिख लो. मुझे लगता है थोड़ा बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है, तो इसको थोड़ा रिपीट करते हैं साथ में. Three problems we did at a time, and this one is taking time. चलो, once again, there are 2-3 more entries. पहले यहाँ तक देख लो. Yeah, I have drawn the bill. Kung Fu has drawn the bill. Panda accepted. We got it discounted. Immediately remitted 50%. Now we still have to pay 1 lakh, but we don't have money. So we asked Panda, this time you draw the bill. I accept. You discount it. So after discounting, he is using 1 lakh to pay the original bill and 7,800 is sending me. So actually 1,07,800 is using for me. So in 117,600, the discount is 2,400. So in 1,07,800 he is sending to me. No, 1 lakh is, I only have to give to you a discounting the bill which I accepted and you are paying. So 2,200 discount I should bear and 7,800 money he gave. Got it? 120 का बिल ड्रॉ किए ना, एक्सेप्ट किए. Now with this he could honor the original bill. Now the crucial part. At maturity, the second bill was dishonored. Kung Fu became insolvent and only 50 paisa in rupee could be recovered from his estate. So this bill became dishonored. ये 1,20,000 का bill. तो इसको reverse करो. Bills payable 1,20,000 debit to Panda. Panda, I'll pay you something else. I've promised I'll pay you 120 because you have to got it discounted, no? So this bill is dishonored. For here, what will be the entry? Kung Fu account debit to bills receivable. Kung Fu account debit to bills receivable. Second bill got dishonored. Sorry, not Kung Fu, bank. You already got discounted with bank, no. So bank account debit, bank को तो pay करना पड़ेगा ना 120 ये रहा. So bank account debit to bills receivable. And I'll pay you something else. Now, Kung Fu became insolvent. Only 50 paisa could be recovered from his estate. ठीक है. तो उसके लिए तो बेड डेट यही है ना, पंडा. हाउ मच यू हैव टू पे टू पंडा? ये देखो, 2 lakhs credit, 1 lakh debit, 120 debit. So 20 I have paid you extra. 2 lakh credit, 1 lakh debit, 120 debit. So 20 debit. And now 1, ये पैसे भी तो आए ना पंडा से, 110. ओके, 110 is the amount. फिर से देखते हैं. Shall we make a small account over here? कुंग फू की बुक्स में पंडा का अकाउंट. फर्स्ट बिल्स यू कैन मेक, वर्किंग बना सकते हैं हम. पहला ही एंट्री, बिल्स रिसीवेबल टू पंडा. अब पंडा को 1 लाख रुपए तभी के तभी दे दिए डिस्काउंट करा के. फिर वी एक्सेप्टेड द बिल फॉर 120. फिर पंडा को क्रेडिट किए 10,000. फिर 120. दिस सेकेंड बिल तो गॉट डिसऑनर्ड. फर्स्ट बिल के अगेंस्ट 2 लाख में 1 लाख आई गेव इमीडिएटली and 10,000 more you only gave me back. वो डिस्काउंट करा के तब. So now I have to give to Panda closing balance 1,10,000. All of you make this ledger and ask. कुछ डाउट है? पीछे बनाओ जर्नल एंट्री के पीछे. I am doing so that I don't have to scroll much up and down. No one has asked you to make a ledger. तो एग्जाम में भी 2 by लिखे बिना आप बना सकते हो. This is your own working note. Bills receivable to Panda, Panda to bank immediately I gave. Then bank to Panda, you gave me 10,000. Second bill to draw के dishonor हो गया. So 110 I have to pay to Panda. 1,10,000 I have to pay to Panda. Anyone in the class is having doubt? Then post each and every entry. How do we pay? 50 paisa. We are going to pay 50 paisa, 55,000, and remaining is deficiency. Remaining is deficiency. Okay, come here. Your first bill is honored. Bills payable to bank. Second bill is dishonored, bank to bills receivable, बैंक को तो पे करना पड़ेगा ना. And now Panda is giving you money, bank account debit 55,000, bad debt account debit 55,000. किसके पैसे डूबे finally? Panda, because you have drawn the bill, I accepted, I didn't pay. To Kung Fu 110. Please check the whole problem, and we are taking after this problem a break of 2 minutes, and we will assemble back. Please revise this problem. Isko karo revision. Okay, this was little too many adjustments in one problem. तो फिर से एक बार करते हैं. Otherwise, it's simple. We have drawn the bill. Panda accepted. We got it discounted. 1 lakh rupees we remitted immediately. So proportionate discount also. Now, remaining 1 lakh we had to remit, but before due date we didn't have money. So we asked him to draw the bill and we accepted. This bill he discounted. Googly is here. This adjustment. Now actually he got the bill discounted 120 and he's sending us 7,800. But 1 lakh also he is using for us only, because he has to honor the bill for 2 lakh. 1 lakh we have given him, and out of this 1 lakh 7,800 he is going to use for us. So this is the discount in 117 and 1 lakh 7,000. How much? So that is coming to 2,200. So this is the money he is sending us. After that, the first bill is honored, but the second bill is dishonored, 120. So this time bills payable to bank, Panda entry we are passing. They will pass bank to bills receivable because they have discounted the bill. If discounted bill is dishonored, bank account debit to bills receivable is the entry. And now we have to pay to Panda 110. That comes by this all details here. Okay. So 110 we have to pay to bank and to deficiency. Okay. Right. And here, if we are paying only 55, it's deficiency for us, and for them it is bad. 110 kaise aaya hai? For that, make this working. 2 lakh is the bills receivable. 1 lakh we gave immediately. Again 10,000 more came from Panda. 120 we have accepted the bill, that is dishonored. So iska to kissa hi khatam ho gaya. 110 original we have to pay. Okay. Are you following accommodation bill stories? Right. Okay. So next sum now we will take up is 24th is exactly same, I think. Let us read and discuss it. 24th तो हमने की है ना, Kung Fu. 25th. 25th. Jackie draws a bill on Chan. Chan accepted the bill and sends in Jackie, who gets it discounted. Jackie immediately remits 14,700 on the due date, being unable to meet. Yes. Remits the amount due, accepts another bill, which he gets discounted. Chan sends 11,100 on due date. Jackie became insolvent, and exactly same like 24th problem. 24th problem के जैसा ही है. You can do it as homework. चलो 26th problem, now we are doing it in class. 26th problem अच्छा है. This also having all the good level of adjustment. 1 second. We'll read the 26th problem. On July, Potter drew a bill on Harry for mutual accommodation. Harry accepted the bill. Potter has purchased goods 181 from Jack, कोई और third party से. On the same date, Potter endorsed Harry's bill. Yeah, can we endorse the bill? Yes. And on 1st September, Jack purchased goods from Harry. What a googly. This is there in the Institute Study Material. Nice problem. See, Potter has drawn a bill on Harry. Harry accepted. Potter purchased goods from Jack. Now he has to anyhow receive the money from Harry. He gave the bill to Jack, Harry's bill. Now Jack purchased the goods 190 from Harry. Jack endorsed the bill received from Potter to Harry. Harry का bill Harry के पास आ गया. And I hope you are getting. I have purchased from you are going to pay me the bill. I've sold you the goods, you are paying me the bill. This bill I'm giving to this party. This party has again purchased, so they have to pay to you. So your bill has come to you by rotation. Jack endorsed the bill and paid 9,000 to Harry. On 1st October, Harry purchased the goods from Potter. Harry paid the amount due to Potter by check. Give the journal entries in the books of Harry Potter and not Jack. Jack is a third party, but Jack के books में entries नहीं है. तो जो entries यहाँ पे पूछे हैं, that many we will do. Potter drew a bill and Harry accepted. And you have to pass the journal entries in the books of Harry and Potter. So who is the drawer? वैसे तो सभी हैं यहाँ पे. Harry and Potter, but the first bill Potter is drawing and Harry is accepting. चलो Harry और Potter दोनों की books में entries करेंगे. We'll read the transaction and we will do the entries one by one. This time no left and right because it's not exactly same kind of accommodation bill, but it's a nice problem. Problem number 25th is homework, 26th we are doing now. चलो साथ में करते हैं 26th problem. Journal entries in the books of Harry. Journal entries in the books of Harry. Date is also mentioned, particulars, amount. First entry. Potter drew the bill Harry accepted on 1st of July 2020. So we accepted the bill from Potter. Potter account debit, 2 bills payable. Potter drew a bill, Harry accepted. We have accepted the bill for 1,80,000. Clear to all of you? Next. Harry accepted the bills of exchange. ठीक है? Potter has endorsed the Harry's bill to Jack. उससे मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Okay. On 1st September, Jack has purchased the goods from Harry. Jack has purchased from the goods from us. On 1st September, Jack has purchased the goods from Harry. So in the books of Harry, can I say Jack account debit to sales? Jack has purchased the goods, so definitely we have sold the goods. Jack endorsed the bills of exchange received from Potter. Jack has endorsed the bills of exchange received from Potter to Harry. Okay. So Harry is giving you 180 bill. We have sold the goods to Jack. Jack is saying, I don't have money, but Jack is endorsing the bill of Potter to Harry and paid 9,000 in full and final settlement also. ठीक है? On 1/9/2020, Jack gave us bills receivable 180 wala. Yay bill which is endorsed to Jack, Jack has endorsed to us. Jack is saying he has got a bill endorsed. So he is paying us that same bill. Bills receivable 180. And he is giving money also 9,000. Remaining we will give him discount 1,000 to Jack 1,90,000. 1,90,000 Jack has to pay us. He is giving us bills receivable of 180 which he also got from Potter in endorsement. And he gave us by check 9,000 and 1,000 we gave him discount. ये जैक की स्टोरी खत्म हो गई. Now, on 1st October, Harry is now purchasing the goods from Potter. 2 lakh. On 1st October, this story is 1st October. Wait a minute, please. This original bill which I had accepted, I had to honor 180. So look here and put a star mark here and there. I have to pay 180 and I have to receive, and that's the same bill which has come. So can we cancel it? Bills payable account debit to bills receivable 1,80,000, 1,80,000. Bills payable account debit to bills receivable 1,80,000. ठीक है? Because I have promised to pay Potter. Potter has endorsed it to Jack. Jack has endorsed it to me. So finally, I am not going to pay to myself. So cancel this. Now go ahead. Because this first bill was for how many months? 3 months. And it was drawn on 1st of July. So 1st July से 3 months हो गया ना? 1st August, 1st September, 1st October. तो 1st October को cancel it off. You can cancel it on the same day also 19 क्योंकि अब वो बिल maturity तक तो जाने नहीं वाला है. चलो now 1st October. Harry purchased goods from Potter. Okay, we purchased the goods from Potter. How much? 2 lakhs. Are you writing? Keep little patience, dear students. Last 2 days were to like 2 minutes के छोटे problem parallelly same. This is accommodation when it's easy. थोड़ा patiently करना है. Purchase to Potter. I have purchased the goods from Potter. Harry paid amount due to Potter by check. Potter, I have to receive from you 180. Against that, I have purchased the goods from you. 180 आना था ना? 180 was receivable against the bills payable which we had drawn. Against that 2 lakh goods I have sold you. So now 20,000 if we pay to Potter, the story is over. It's really like a movie story. Potter account debit 20,000 to bank 20,000. 2 lakh minus 1,80,000. Please check with me once again. We are in the books of Harry. Start the problem ki Potter has drawn the bill and Harry accepted. Harry accepted. Meanwhile, we have sold the goods to Jack. Jack gave us that same bill. We accepted the bill. Potter has endorsed it to Jack. Jack gave us the same bill. So we cancelled our own bill. Bills payable bhi hum hi hai aur bills receivable bhi hum hi hai. Now again we have sold the goods to Potter 2 lakh and we have to get 180 from him. So 20,000 if we pay to Potter, it's all over. This is in the books of Harry. Now in the books of Potter. See, meanwhile Potter has endorsed to Jack and all. All that didn't affect me, but अब Potter को तो affect होगा ना? Date, particulars, amount. साथ में करो. Please do the scaling for one full page. Firstly, only Potter has drawn the bills. So in his books, bills receivable to Harry. 1,80,000. This is like an accommodation bill. Goods sold purchase to बाद में. This was on 1/7. Potter has drawn the bill. Harry accepted. Potter purchased goods 181 from Jack. Okay. On the same day. Purchase account debit to Jack. 1,81,000. 1,81,000 purchase account debit to Jack. Potter endorsed Harry's bill to Jack. Jack, I have to pay you 1,81,000. Against that, I am endorsing you. See, bills receivable to Harry. If you honor bank to bills receivable. If you endorsee to bills receivable. Jack is endorsee to bills receivable. Bills receivable तो 180 है और वही हमने जैक को एंडोर्स कर दिया तो रिमेनिंग इज रीबेट आर इनकम. Bills receivable we had to honor. Time था, but we purchased the goods from Jack and to Jack we endorsed the same bill that anyhow I have to receive money from you, Harry, paid to Jack. So this if we do before time, we will get a rebate of 1,000. Now this story is over. On 1st September, Jack has purchased the goods from Harry. उससे Potter को कुछ नहीं करना है. Jack endorsed the bill. Received. यही वाला बिल उसने फिर Potter को दे दिया. Okay. Potter to Harry and paid 9,000. उससे कोई मतलब नहीं है. On 1st October, Harry purchased the goods from Potter. So let us sell the goods on 1st October. Here there is no cancellation. Bills receivable किया ही था. Now, Harry has purchased the goods from Potter. So Potter will sell. Harry account debit to sales. See there you have recorded purchase to Potter, here sales. 2 lakh, 2 lakh. Break the entries, I mean say problem and do it, it will be easy. Finally, Harry, I have to receive 180 from you and I have sold you the goods of 2 lakh. So Harry, you pay me 20,000 and it's over. Bank account debit to Harry, 20,000. यहाँ एक बार cross check कर लो. Potter to bank. They have paid us 20 and yes, we accepted 20. Check it. Only endorsement entry will come to bank. They can ask you entries in the books of Jack also because Jack is also there in the picture. He's buying and he's endorsing and all, but not us, so we are not doing. Check and tell me if you have any doubt in this problem. Problem number 25th. Nice it is. 26th, sorry. Nice, clear to all of you. चलो फिर से एक बार. We have drawn the bill on Harry. In the meanwhile, we purchased from Jack. To Jack, we gave this same bills receivable and done. Then we have sold the goods to Harry. Harry should pay us 2 lakh and we have to pay him 180. Finally, Harry gave us a check of 20,000 and it's over. This is the way in exam. Don't write left and right because Dipti ma'am ने पढ़ाया ऐसे ही करना है आपको. नाइस प्रॉब्लम ना. अकोमोडेशन बिल भी आ गया, सब आ गया इसमें. चलो, one more problem we will do for accommodation only. Generally in exam they are asking the entries in the books of one, but if like this problem, if they ask both also, you should be able to do it. All right, chalo, let us take up the next problem. Harry Potter is clear or not? Now 27th problem we are doing. For mutual accommodation of X and Y, X drew a 4 months bill on Y. Y returned the bill after acceptance. X is discounting it. Remits 50%. On due date, X is unable to send the money. Now Y draws the bill, which is accepted. Y discounts it. Before the due date, X become array exactly same like 23rd and 24th problem. Exactly same. फिर भी करेंगे, एक तो करेंगे. And out of all the accommodation, this is in the hit list. ये problem as it is with figures can come. 27th problem. Same problem. You have to do the journal entries in the books of X. इतने बड़े problem के लिए we have done journal entries in the books of both. Kung Fu Panda, 23rd, 24th, 25th, all are same. Chalo, 27th we will do. 27th problem now for mutual accommodation, but only in the books of X. Problem number 27. This is a practice problem. Can I expect you all to do with me? Actually, generally I always ask कि I am sitting, आप करो और फिर हम read करते हैं one by one. Like so many of you are doing it in mobile. So I know it's not possible for me कि unmute कर करके आप बोलो. Chat में तो आप लिख रहे हो जो messages हैं. So at least can we ensure that we all are doing it together? You also interpret with me. X and Y for mutual accommodation. X drew a bill on 1st April 2020. X has drawn a bill. Bill receivable to Y. X has drawn a bill. 4,000. Bills receivable to Y. Y returned the bill after acceptance of the same date. We have drawn the bill, Y accepted, and then we got it discounted with the bank on the same date. On 1st April, bank account debit. The flow of the problem is also same, dear students. So good practice. Bank account debit, discount account debit to bills receivable. 4,000 bill we are discounting at 6%. 4,000 into 6%, and this is for 4 months. 4,000 into 6% into 4 divided by 12, 80. 80. We have drawn the bill, you accepted, we got it discounted. 50% 50% we will share immediately. Share करो Y के साथ. Y account debit 2000 to discount 40 to bank 1960. Half of the discount we are remitting immediately. 50%. On due date, see routine accommodation bill. I have drawn the bill. I discounted. I am using 50% I gave. Before due date, I should give you remaining 50% so that you can honor. But now I don't have the money. So now Y has drawn the bill for 7,000, which I am accepting. Y has drawn the bill for 7,000, which I am accepting. Yes. This is all on the due date of the bill. So 4th April, say 4 months. 4th May, 4th June, 4th July, 4th August. Now we have to accept the bill. Y account debit to bills payable. 7,000. Which is accepted, and now Y is discounting it. So Y ki books mein discount because Y needs money to honor our first bill, which we have discounted. Y ko to mere bank ko pay karna padega na. I have drawn the bill, I discounted. Y you have to pay to my bank. So now you draw bill Y, I accept it, bills payable, and Y got discounted. And since 1300, this is crucial now. Bank account debit 1300, discount account debit to Y. Y is sharing with us 1300. अब डिस्काउंट कैसे करेंगे? Out of 4,000, 2,000 I gave to Y. So 2,000 more I had to give, no? So discounting ka 2,000 money, so he will use. I only have to give to Y and he has to honor 2,000 plus 2,000 plus 1,300. 1,300 is still remitting. 3,300. So now this is only the crucial entry for discount, how we are going to adjust. Okay, right. Now please see here, bank account debit, discount account debit to Y. Y has already discounted the bill, no? Discounted the bill for 6,600. Okay, right. Whereas the bill was for how much? 7,000. I hope you are getting. We accepted the bill for 7,000, so he has drawn the bill. 7,000 में bill में 400 rupees discount करके Y got 6,600. Out of that, 3,300 is using for me. Don't say, ma'am, he's sending 1,300. Arey, but 2,000 I had to pay, no? 2,000 I paid first only. 4,000 original bill. 2,000 I remitted. 2,000 more. Right. So 3,300. So how much is the discount? In 6,600, 400 into 3,300 divide by 6,600, 200. And it is 1,500. 5 बार पूछो, 6 बार पूछो, कुछ क्लियर नहीं है तो ऑलमोस्ट End of the chapter. One study material problem. Actually, the chapter is over. This is the last problem. The study material में last में एक partition वाला problem है, तो कभी ना उठा के same problem पूछ लेते हैं. Chapter is over, but we'll write some nice booster notes. See, I have drawn 4,000 bill. 2,000 I shared immediately after discounting. 2,000 more I had to give. Now I don't have money. So I have asked you draw the bill of 7,000. I will accept 7,000. I will accept. And part of it they are remitting 1,300 plus 2,000 out of 6,600 what they have got. 7,000 के bill में after discounting Y got 6,600. So 400 is the discount. उसमें से 1,300 they are giving me and 2,000 on my behalf they are honoring the first bill. So 3,300 so they are using for me only. So 200 is the discount. Clear? Finally, I need to pay to Y. Before the bill is honored, X became insolvent and only 25 paisa could be recovered. I need to pay to Y. Y से 4,000 आना था. 2,000 I gave to Y. Again 7,000. Account ही बना लो ना Y का. Y का account ही बना लो. First, bills receivable to Y. 4,000. Immediately 2,000 we gave. 2,000 के लिए पैसे नहीं थे. In the meanwhile, Y account debit 7,000. This bill is dishonored. 7,000 bill का dishonor का entry हमने नहीं किए. करो. This bill is dishonored. This 7,000 second bill. First bill is honored. This bill is dishonored. Bills payable account debit to Y. Sorry, Y, I don't have money to pay you 7,000. Now see Y's account. आप ये एंट्री लिखो. आई एम वेटिंग. एक एक करके करते हैं. चलो चलो साथ में. फर्स्ट bills receivable to Y 4,000. फिर Y को डेबिट किया 2,000. Now I have accepted the bill 7,000. Meanwhile, Y has paid me 1,500 and then this 7,000 bill got cancelled. Exactly same problem what we have done 23rd, 24th. 7,000 तो dishonor हो गया. Finally, Y, I should pay you 3,500. I want everyone to draw this. यहाँ करो नहीं तो लास्ट में वर्किंग नोट में करो. Don't do it in calculator. मैम इसमें आपने 2 बाय तो लिखे ही नहीं है. बाय अ बिल रिसीवेबल बाय बैंक चलेगा. It's your working note. If you are getting late in exam, do like this, but make the account. Why I should pay you how much? 4th August के बाद ना 4th August ही डेट चल रहा है सब जगह. Why 7 July 4th August? Why I should pay you 3,500. Why I should pay you 3,500, but 25 paisa in a rupee is only received. Remaining is deficiency. Nice, clear to all of you? 3,500 and 875 and 265. Y account debit to bank to deficiency. All right. You want me to repeat once the whole sequence or clear? कर लेते हैं ना, 2 मिनट लगेगा, चेक करो आप. Bills receivable to Y. I have drawn a bill. Y accepted. I discounted. 50% I shared immediately. For remaining 50% I am not having money. So ऐसे लग रहा है कोई मूवी का रिव्यू बता रही हूँ, हर बार वही स्टोरी है. Then Y has drawn the bill. I accepted it. Y gave me the money in that proportionate discount you have to take properly. And then second bill got dishonored. First bill is honored, but money will not come to me. It will go to my bank. Okay, right. And Y account debit to bank to deficiency. Y, I'll pay you 25% in full and final settlement. Nice and clear. Sure. So, when there are, ये मैं आपको थ्योरी बाद में पढ़ाऊंगी, पहले एक लास्ट प्रॉब्लम कर लेते हैं. 28 problem. This is students demand I added. Study material backside problems you all do it. This is the last one. So I'm doing it for you. चलो 28 problem करते हैं. Now, सिर पैर बिना का problem means 2-3 cases they have given different. You can see on screen. And they have asked you to journalize. Bob informs Don, you have to do all the journal entries in the books of Don, that Ray's acceptance for 3,000 has been dishonored and noting charges are 40. Bob is informing to Don that Ray's acceptance for 3,000 has been dishonored and noting charges are 40. Bob accepted 1,000 cash and balance again bill for 3 months. Don accepts from Ray. Kya hai? I know everyone says this. Ma'am, kya question hai? Last question it is for today. Huh? This is like original story now. They have not given. Bob is informing to Don that Ray's acceptance has been dishonored. Bob ने ना, Don ने ना Bob को बोला होगा कि okay, I'll pay you. Okay? हाँ. But क्या किया हमने? Bill endorse किया Ray का. Ray account debit to bills receivable. Are you getting the story? Bob informed to Don that Ray ने जो accept किया था, I gave that same acceptance to Bob. Endorse किया था, it is dishonored. So when endorsed bill is dishonored, Ray, again you should pay me. And Bob, sorry, I'll pay you. Bob, I'll pay you. I'm purposely doing here. I'll do it in the notebook. Are you getting or not? Bob is saying, Don, you gave me that Roy's acceptance, no? Ray's acceptance. Ray third party से मुझे पैसे आने थे, तो that I gave to Bob. Bob is saying वो dishonor हो गया. Okay, sorry Bob, I'll pay you. Ray, you pay me something else. Ray had to pay me. So you have to write this. I'll make you write everything. Ray had to pay me. I had endorsed the bill. Endorsed bill got dishonored. Now Bob, I have to pay. So Bob accepts 1,000 cash. ठीक है? Bob को तभी 1,000 दे दो. And remaining in 3 installments at the rate of interest of 10%. Okay.